guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna discuss that how many data types we can use in Python programming language and how can we declare and assign different values to variables. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in Python, there are so many data types we can use. We have discussed in previous video integer data type. Now we are going to discuss float and string data type. First, if I create a variable a is equals to 9.8, you can see in this value there is a decimal point. So wherever a decimal point consists, it is called a float data type. So if I want to check the type of a variable, I can use a type function print. I can use type function, and under type function I write a because I want to check the type of a. So if I run it, it shows me the type of a is, you can see here, float. Float means it consists a decimal point. So if I remove decimal point and I run it again, so it becomes integer because integer does not exist decimal. So I remove it and write my name here. So now it becomes a string. If I run it again, now it shows a string data type. So we have discussed three data types. Now we can interchange them by using these functions. Number one is float function. We can use simply float statement to convert any integer into float number, and we can use str. We have discussed str function in previous video, and we can also use integer function. These three functions we can use to interchange any data type. Okay. Now how can we declare and assign values to variables? Okay, we can declare our values by using a single line. There is an example. If I use name comma age comma age is equals to, if I put here Umair comma 20. Okay, you can see here I am assigning two values to two different variables. One is an string value and the second is integer value. So how can I print it? I can print it like hello, and there is a gap. I use string concatenation. We have discussed the string concatenation. If you don't know about it, you can watch our previous video. And then I use name. Name is a variable which consists Umair. Okay. Yes. Your age is, and I use the variable age. Okay. Now if I run it, in I use name. Instead of name, there printed will be Umair, and instead of age 20 will appear. Okay, if I run it, it takes time. There is an error. Only integer to string. Wait a second. Okay. Here we cannot concatenate string. We cannot concatenate string into integer. So I have to put commas over here and then run it. Okay, if I run it, you can see hello Umair, your age is. Okay. I have to, there should be much gap here. Remove it and increase it. Okay. See, and there is gap. Okay. If I run it again, now it is hello Umair, your age is 20. Okay. Now we can move further. We can declare variables by using x is equals to y. If I want to declare same value to different variables, we can use it z is equals to 2. Now 2 is the value of these three variables. X is the value of 2, y has the value of 2, and z has the value of 2. These three all variables has the same value. We can show it x comma y comma z. If I run it, you can see 2 2 2. These three variables have the same value. Now if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you very much.